It's safe to say our net here has seen better days. So I got the replacement. Let's put it on and I'll show you it in use. What's great is once you have the pole, these can basically universally fit. I'll slide that on. Also, I liked that this one had a weight at the bottom so that when I go to dump it, things will actually dump out. And then you can see the net is very fine but double layered. I love that. Very simple to click in. Okay, let's use it. I'm gonna do it with one arm here since I'm filming. I'll just grab this top layer of clamps. Just skimmed that top layer for a few seconds and let's just dump it right here just so I can show you a good example of how easy it's gonna be. So we got some flowers and things. Now I'm doing this with one hand, so if I can do this with one hand, there you go. I like that weight, like it seriously made it so simple. Shake it out, and then you're ready to flip it back and use it again. If you're looking for a really good net for skimming your pool and keeping it clean, I think you're gonna love this one.